the question is, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. So now we are having a situation just like that. We see in example, right, that river example that was given for a bridge and a river, example number 7. But now the condition is somewhat different. So yes, that is number 10. Now we are having a road here. With poles on either side of the road. Right, on either side of the road. This road is 80 meter wide. So this is given the distance between the two poles, that is 80 meter. Now from a point between them, between the poles on the ground, we have the angles of elevation of the top of the poles to be 30 degree and 60 degree on either side. That means on this side it might be 30 degree and on this side this might be 60, like this. You can draw the figure in the mirror image also. That means you can draw on the other side as 60 and on one side as 30, right? On both the sides you must have the different dimensions. So you will draw the figure somewhat like this. Okay, so this will be the figure. Now, what do we require? Yes, we require the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. So let us say that these poles are named as A, B, C and D, with the poles making an angle of 90 degree with the ground. So we require to find out the value of AB and CD and PB and PD. This both the distances are to be found out. So let us write down here. Let the height of the poles AB and CD be x meters, or let us take it as h meters. The height is given, so we need to find out the height. So we will take it as h meters and let the distance PB is equals to x meters. So PD is equals to the total distance BD minus PD, which is equals to 80 minus x meters. Right? So we will get these three distances. Height h meters આપણે assume કરી લીધી. R2, this smaller distance we have taken as x meters. So the remaining will be total minus this much, that is 80 minus x meters. Now, as we are having two triangles, the first one is ABP and the second one is CDP. We can apply the trigonometric ratios in both. So let us write down in triangle ABP, angle B is equals to 90 degree, angle P is equals to 60 degree, and AB is equals to h meters, comma BP is equals to x meters. Therefore, using tan theta is equals to AB upon BP, theta given tan 60 is equals to AB, that is h divided by BP, that is x. Therefore, tan 60, that is root 3, is equals to h upon x, and hence h is equals to root 3x. So we will get the first of our relation, h is equals to root 3x. That is relation number 1 or result number 1. Okay. Now similarly in triangle CDP, angle D is equals to 90 degree, angle P again is equals to 30 degree, CD is equals to h meters, and PD, we can say that PD, that is we have found out 80 minus x meters, right? We have found out that PD is equals to 80 minus x meters. Therefore, using tan theta is equals to CD upon PD. Therefore, tan 30 degree is equals to CD, that is h divided by 80 minus x, right? Just replacing the values. Now we are having tan 30. What is tan 30? 1 upon root 3 is equals to h upon 80 minus x, right? We are having this one, cross multiply. Therefore, 80 minus x is equals to root 3h. Cross multiply. અહીંયા 80 minus x and root 3 સામે multiply થશે. But from result number 1 we are having h. Therefore, 80 minus x is equals to root 3 multiplied by root 3x by result number 1. Right? H is replaced there, and hence 80 minus x, that is equals to 3x. Therefore, x સામે જશે એટલે 4x is equals to 80 and x is equals to 20 meter. So we got the value of x, that is 20 meter. Hence, height of the poles, that is h is equals to root 3x. H is equals to root 3x, that is equals to root 3 multiplied by 20, and hence h is equals to 20 root 3 meters. So the first one is completed. Height of the poles, that is AB and CD, જે height છે, that is 20 root 3 meters, and also the distance of the point from the poles is the first distance PP is equals to x is equals to 20 meters and PD, the second distance, that is 80 minus x, which is 80 minus 20, which is equals to 60 meters. So these are the final two answers of the distance of the poles. Distance from the poles. Take point P થી B pole, AB pole નો distance 20 meter and CD pole નો distance 60 meter. So this much distance in the figure, this will be 20 meter and here this will be 60 meter. This height we got 23 meter and on this side also 20 meter. So these are our final answers. Moving on to the 11th. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 20 meter away from this point, on the line joining the point of the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So I think this was given in homework, right? Still, let us solve it here. Question number 11. As the figure says, we need to find out the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So width of the canal, this is the canal. We need to find out this and the height, because this is a point on the opposite side of the canal and another point is 20 meters away from this point C. So here, let the height of the tower be h meters, let us say that is h meters, and the width of the canal be x meters. So we have taken this as x and this one as h. So we are having two triangles in. First of all, the smaller triangle, triangle ABC. Taking this angle B as 90 degree. Angle B is equals to 90 degree. Angle C is equals to 60 degree. Then BC is equals to x meters and AB is equals to h meters. Therefore, using tan 60 degree or tan theta is equals to AB upon BC. Therefore, tan 60 degree is equals to h upon x. Tan 60, that is root 3, which is h upon x, and hence h is equals to root 3x meters. Or we can say that we got our first relation here. H is equals to root 3x. So that is the first result. H is equals to root 3x. Right? Now again in triangle ABD, angle B is equals to 90 degree, angle D is equals to 30 degree, AB is equals to x meters, and BD, that is 20 plus x, sorry, here it is h, 20 plus x meters. Right? This whole distance B to D, that is 20 plus x, that is 20 plus x meters. So we can use, therefore, using tan theta is equals to opposite AB upon adjacent BD. Therefore, tan 30 degree is equals to h upon 20 plus x. Therefore, 1 upon root 3 is equals to h upon 20 plus x. Cross multiply. Therefore, 20 plus x is equals to root 3h. We know h is equal to root 3x. We will replace it here. Therefore, 20 plus x is equals to root 3 multiplied by root 3 into x. Right? So, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 20 plus x, that is 3x. x samajh chale 2x થઈ જશે. Therefore, 2x is equals to 20. And hence x is equals to 10 meters. What was this x? Width of the canal. Width of the canal. So we got our first answer, width of the canal. Now we need to find out the height of the tower also. Therefore, from relation number 1, right? From relation number 1, h is equals to root 3x, that is root 3 multiplied by 10. Therefore, h is equals to 10 root 3 meters. And that is the height of the tower. Okay, so that is it about the answers. The first one, width of the canal is 10 meters and the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meters. Is it clear? Moving on to the 12th one. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So here we are having two situations. The first one is a cable tower and the second one is a 7-meter tall building. Okay, so we are given this situation. From the top of a 7-meter tall building, that means the observer is here. At this point, let us say point A, right? The observer is standing at point A. Now, this is the tower CD. He looks to the top of the tower at point C, making an angle of elevation 60 degree. From the same point A, he is looking to the bottom of the tower, making an angle of depression 45 degree. We need to find out the height of the tower. That means this whole height CD. Now what will I do? I draw a projection of this building on the tower. એટલે પ્રોજેક્શન ડ્રો કરું એટલે આ A point ને dotted line માં હું અહીંયા show કરું, that is my point E on this tower, making an height 7 meter as ED on the tower CD, right? તો આ height આપણને 7 meter મળી ગયું અહીંયા પ્રોજેક્શન ડ્રો કરીએ એટલે, અને એની ઉપરની હાઈટ છે એને આપણે h મીટર એઝ્યુમ કરીએ એટલે ટોટલ હાઈટ કેટલી થઈ ગઈ તો કે CD is equals to h plus 7 meters. હવે h ફાઇન્ડ કરી લો ને એમાં 7 એડ કરી દો એટલે તમને ઈઝીલી મળી જશે, રાઈટ? સો હિયર let me write down in, sorry, first of all we'll write down what we know, that is here AB is the 7 meter tall building and CD is the tower, right? Therefore, from the figure AB is equals to ED is equals to 7 meter. AB is equals to ED is equals to 7 meter. And let the remaining height of the tower CE is equals to H meters. Right? Let the remaining height of the tower, the remaining height is equal CE, that is equals to H meters. આપણે એને H meters એવું એઝ્યુમ કરીએ તો બે ટ્રાયેંગલ્સ છે in first of all you see we will take always, as I said, we will always take the triangle with angle 45. તો અહીંયા 45 ડિગ્રી વાળો એંગલ કયો છે? તો કે તમે આ ટ્રાયેંગલ લઈ શકો AED. તો અહીંયા નીચેની સાઈડ થઈ જશે રાઈટ એંગલ આવી રીતના, અથવા આને તમે પહેલા alternate angles form કરી દો 45 ડિગ્રી EAD 45 તો ADB એ પણ 45 ડિગ્રી ફોર્મ થઈ જશે. And then we can directly apply. So in triangle AB D, angle B is equals to 90 degree, angle D is equals to 45 degree, AB is equals to 7 meter. Right? AB ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી? 7 meters આપેલી છે height of the building. And BD we don't know, તો આપણે BD find કરેલા છે એટલે આપણને આ વચ્ચેનો રેફરન્સ પડી જશે BD અને AE. Therefore using tan theta is equals to AB upon BD. Therefore tan 45 degree is equals to 7 upon BD. Tan 45 की value 1 is equals to 7 upon BD, and hence BD is equals to 7 meter. Therefore we got the value of BD, that is 7 meter. તો અહીંયા જે આપણને આ બેની વચ્ચે એટલે ટાવર અને બિલ્ડિંગ ની વચ્ચેનું ડિસ્ટન્સ મળી જશે 7 meters. Okay, so we got this distance here as 7 meters. So our distance 7 meter હોય તો our distance AE પણ 7 meter જ હશે, because again that is projected to the opposite side. Therefore in the upper triangle AEC, angle E is equals to 90 degree, this one. Angle A, that is equals to 60 degrees given. Then AE is equals to BD is equals to 7 meter, and CE is equals to H meters. Right? We have taken CE is equals to H meters. Therefore using tan theta is equals to CE divided by A. Therefore tan 60 degree is equals to H divided by 7. Right? So tan 60 ની વેલ્યુ જે મૂકી દો અહીંયા, tan 60 ની વેલ્યુ કેટલી? √3 is equals to H upon 7, and hence H is equals to 7√3 meters. તો આ તો ખાલી હજી આપણને H જ મળ્યું છે. Therefore height of the tower, that is CD, is equals to CE plus ED. तो CE એટલે કે H 7√3 plus ED is 7. That is 7 multiplied by root 3 plus 1 meters. And that is your final answer. The height of the tower. 7 multiplied by root 3 plus 1 meters. Okay. તો તમે આનો સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લો.